Okay guys, so here's my team who has come with me for backcountry camping. I'm gonna go to them and get their views on what we have done so far and what we're doing. Musa.
So I like the fact of canoeing and like stuff, but you get blisters on your hand after paddling for a very long time. And there's also way too many mosquitoes. Like every few seconds you'll find one just on your neck or somewhere. But overall it's a very fun trip and would go again.
Iman.
The canoeing part was fun so far, going like onto the rocks and sitting. Also carving because it's really smooth.
So those are the rocks right there in the middle of the lake. That's what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
And then tomorrow we're gonna do the portages, like 4 of them.
Portage.
Oh, hopefully I get through that.
Okay. Taha?
I really enjoyed the canoeing part, and even the portage wasn't that bad. It was fine. And also just doing canoeing without all the bags and stuff and going around. It's really nice exploring the area.
Okay, and that has been an experience so far,
Yeah,
huh?
new experience, good experience.
I agree with
Hassan?
everyone else. It's kind of a mystery. You don't know what's gonna show up if a bear or any animal at night. So it's a mystery.
Are you scared of that? Are you confused about it?
Yeah.
But you're prepared, right?
Yeah.
What measures you have taken so that the animals don't come to our campsite?
Well, we hung our stuff over there on the tree,
Where?
very high.
Okay, right over there. There's a black and red bag. Those are hung up there. Those bags have our food. Okay, what else, Hassan?
We have bear bells to like distract the bears to not know that we're here. And that's basically it. And bear spray, which I don't really think works, but
What is the plan for tomorrow, guys?
4 portages.
So we're doing
4 portages?
Yeah.
Which
Hopefully we don't
should
die.
be
Maybe
short.
swimming, maybe. Might fish.
We can do swimming today if you
We can
want.
find
We are
a better
at a
campsite
good
than this.
good site. The
Yeah,
launch is
so-
good, so we can
Take
go in
a
the
second.
water.
And
It took us like an
there's a
hour
lot
to
of
find
logs.
this campsite, so
Okay.
hopefully we can
Thanks
find the
to
next one.
us. Let's go.
we actually found a better campsite over there.
Who cares?
Okay, that's good. So we have put on the fire, but it's just minimal. So it's for smoke mainly.
It was black, I swear.
My shoes are here. They're drying. I got some water in them. So these are the canoes that we are using. They are Kevlar canoes. They're not the lightest, but they're not very heavy as well. So the 2-seaters are about 52 pounds, and the 3-seater over there, they are 60 pounds. This is a map. This is waterproof, but this fell in the water, so it's drying at the moment. So we're following that. So here I'll just give a tour of our campsite. That's where we bring our canoes, so that's where we land basically. And look at the view from our campsite. There's another campsite right opposite to us on the other side of the lake. There are a couple of little islands on the left hand side, and we'll be going this way tomorrow. So hopefully the portages will go nice and smooth. This campsite is pretty big actually, as compared to the other one that we were choosing earlier, and this campsite can take few tents here, quite a few flat areas. As you can see, we have 2 tents. One is over there, one is over there. Hassan, you want to walk with me? Let's go explore the campsite here.
I saw something walking there behind the tree.
That's okay. Maybe,
4 legs and a black skin.
maybe a moose.
It was there. I
Where?
don't know where it went.
Okay, let's go find it.
No.
So that's where we have hung our bags
Pretty high up.
with our food. Here about 6-7 feet above the ground. Where'd you see anything?
Okay, here somewhere.
Apparently Hassan saw something here.
Saw something running with black feet and black fur. Could be a moose.
So
could be
we
a
don't
bear.
know. Okay, so I'm walking behind the site and we come to this like this is an actual toilet here.
I was gonna say something else.
Yeah, right there. Okay, close it. Lots of dead trees, lots of wood available, so we don't have that problem. We'll be fine with burning wood tonight
right
and
here.
tomorrow morning.
Somewhere.
So that's where he saw something.
It was over there, probably tree. It must have
Yeah,
been
hopefully
over
that's not a bear. Okay. So we are in kind of a peninsula. So we have water on this side and water on the other side as well.
there. On an
So it's
island.
kind of a, yeah. This is the smell of these all green trees. There are pines and there are so many other trees. Spruce, there are blue spruce, there are other spruce trees here. There are some maple, and the smell I cannot really capture in the camera, but it's really nice to be out here. We are in backcountry in Algonquin where there are no car routes or anything, so we parked our car 3-4 hours from here, and then we got our canoes from there, and then it's just from one lake to another, and between the lakes you pick up the stuff. So that's basically called portage, and then you go to the other lake, then launch it from there. So we had to make few trips because we had lots of stuff to carry. So this is one of our tents, and that's the other tent over there. All right, we'll catch up again very soon. Thank you.